Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate social media content based on your personal brand for your preferred platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. It takes just 5 minutes to set up and customize and then runs automatically every day at the time you set, giving you fresh content ready to post. I've already created a loop in Magic Loops that you can duplicate and customize for your personal needs. You can get the link from the description below. I'll go ahead and paste it in here. You may have to hit the duplicate button in the upper right hand corner and then hit edit to get it to look like this page here. Let's go ahead and look at the loop block by block to see what's going on. So first of all, we have a time trigger block, which sets our loop to run at 9 a.m. every day. So you're getting fresh content sent to your email at this time daily. You can go ahead and update that by changing this to 10, 11 a.m., or whenever you want to receive it. Then we have 3 scrape blocks here. There's 1, 2, and 3. And these are scraping 3 different websites according to a certain topic. So up here in our variables, we have website 1, 2, and 3. And this is what they are: artificial intelligence news, technology review, etc. And you can customize these however you want. So if you want to get something entirely different, like, for example, techgadgets.com, you could go ahead and do that. And you could update the websites according to the ones you want to scrape. And then here, this topic variable is what you are scraping for. So I want news articles related to coding and AI. So that's exactly what it's going to do, is scrape for these websites for any articles that have a topic related to this here. And you can change this to whatever you want. It could be about recent music releases or about new gadgets that have dropped, etc. Let's move on here to the next block, which is this LLM block. It's going to go ahead and get 5 of the best articles from these 3 scrapes here that are most relevant for the topic that we chose. And it's going to go ahead and get the title and the link and format it in this JSON object here. The next one is a code block. And what this is doing is it's getting the links from here and it's opening each one of those links up and scraping it and outputting the date that it scraped it, not the date of the article title, the article text, the complete text of it, and then the link itself. Next, so we can see here in our output, like if we click and open this up, the article text, you can see the entire article here if you want to reference that. Next, we have another LLM block, and this is going to get the code, the JSON object from here, and it's going to write different social media posts reacting to these articles. And it makes sure to keep in mind the character limits of each platform, and you add the writing style that you want it in. So up here in the variables, you can change that. Right now I have it set to Mark Twain to make it a bit comical. You can change this to any famous figure, or you can take your own writing style and paste it in here, and you can change that block a little bit to say in the style of this text. And then, so yeah, you can just paste in a bunch of stuff you've already created before so it can get the voice that you write in. Within that same LLM block down here, there is also this option to integrate the following opinions into the posts that are created. So this variable opinions up here, I have AI is safe, AI is going to change the world, and AI is going to replace jobs. So all the content that is being written for you is based around the opinions that you typically have towards this topic here. Now, going back to that LLM block again, we can see that the output is going to be in this format here, creating posts from 3 different platforms. And so you don't even need to come down to these blocks or mess with any of that. You can just change the variables from up top. So if you don't want to post on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram, you want to do something else, you can go ahead and write, for example, a TikTok video idea, and it will go ahead and generate that content for you. Going to leave it at LinkedIn there. And lastly, we're going to take what we've generated here from this LLM, and we're going to put that into an email, and it's going to send it to us. So we're going to get these articles here, and they're going to be sent to our email every day at 9 a.m. Let's go ahead and activate it. And once we've activated it, that means tomorrow at 9 a.m. it will send this. If we want to test it, we can hit run now, and it will run the code, and it will send us an email. Make sure once this finishes running that you check your spam or junk folders and put magic loops on a trusted sender so it gets sent into your inbox every time and not your junk mail, because it would be sad to miss. So I'm going to go ahead and let this run. It will take a little bit because the scrape blocks take a while to get all of that content for you. All right, it has finished running now. So I'm going to go overhead and check my email. And voila, I have articles for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram in the voice of Mark Twain with my opinions integrated into these posts. And you can go ahead and scan over them, read them, find what you like, grab the one you like, copy, paste it, post it, and done. Great. So that's all for this video on how to generate social media content based on your personal brand. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.